let's try to understand it further. So as you can see on my screen, this Harami pattern can be of two types, a bullish Harami or a bearish Harami pattern. Let's talk about the bullish Harami pattern. So bullish Harami pattern, as the name suggests, indicates that a downtrend may reverse and turn into a bullish trend, and hence it is called a bullish Harami pattern. In this particular candlestick pattern, we have to look at today's candle and the candle in the prior period as well. So assuming that a stock is in a visible downtrend, forming a lower top, lower bottom formation, and we have a long body red candle, which means there was immense amount of selling pressure and the bears were clearly in control of the bulls. Now in today's candle, if I notice a gap up opening and this gives me a small body green candle, it would signify that the bears have suddenly lost control and the bulls have suddenly come in from nowhere. The bears will start panicking and they will start exiting their shorts. And this can be the first sign that the bears are losing control and the downtrend may pause or reverse. So as you can see, it is formed during a visible downtrend. Then we have a long body red candle. The next day the stock gaps up and gives me a green close. And the stock changes the downtrend and converts into an uptrend. As you can see,